Hello student, today we will design a Fruit Ninja game. The working of Fruit Ninja game is shown on the screen. Fine. Now start to design this game. First we will open the envelope app, then click on this plus sign. Close this window. Delete the panda sprite. We have required here fruit sprite, so add the fruit sprite by clicking on this plus sign. Then go to food option, food session. Now add here apple fruit, watermelon fruit. You can add here as many fruit you want. I will add here only 5 fruits. And last one is orange fruit. Now add a knife sprite. Go to all section. You can type here knife. Look at the screen. There are variety of knife are present on the screen. You can choose any knife here. I will choose fruit knife 2 here. Now add another sprite, that is bomb sprite. Go to all option, type here bomb. Add this sprite here. Fine. Then again go to apple sprite. Now we will add here another apple costume by clicking on this plus sign. This one plus sign. Okay. Use another one apple sprite here. Look at here. This one is apple, this one is apple. Both have the same name. To make a difference between the name, change the naming here. Apple 1. Okay, fine. Now we will modify this apple sprite by using the paint. Increase the width of the line. Okay, fine. And then save it. Here apple 1 sprite indicate that knife has cut this sprite. Okay. Now same step will be follow for watermelon sprite. Delete this one also. Add another costume of watermelon. Fine. Give naming here 1, watermelon 1. Also add a line that indicate knife has cut this watermelon, and then save it. Okay, fine. Same step for banana sprite. Add a banana. Fine. Change its name. Also add a line here. Now in the cherry sprite, another costume of cherry is added here. Also make a identification between the name and add a line here. fine. Last one is orange. Add another orange costume. Make identification between them and use a line sprite. Fine. And then save it. Now go to knife sprite. Now we will start first coding with the knife sprite. We will start coding for knife sprite. Now our first code is whenever flag click, initially we want to move the knife with our mouse pointer. For this we will use a forever loop. By going to control section, use forever loop. Here we want that mouse is move or mouse can be controlled by mouse pointer. Go to motion. For this, go to motion section. There is a command go to random position. Replace the random position with mouse pointer and put this command inside the forever loop. Now check the code. You can see on the screen the knife is moving according to our mouse pointer or my finger movement. Okay, but here the size of the knife is very large. Now we will reduce the size of the knife. For this, again go to knife sprite code. Go to look section. There is a command set size 100%. Replace the 100 with 30%. Now again look at the screen. This size is looking good. Okay, now size of the knife is reduced and this is looking good. Fine. Now first we will start coding for apple sprite. First command is go to event section. When flag click, initially the apple sprite should be hide. For this, go to look section. There is a hide command. Use this hide command here. Now we want to create the clone of this apple. For creating the clone, go to control section. There is a command create clone of myself. We want to create the clone in whole. Whenever the program in run, the clone of clone should be create. For this we use the forever loop here. Now we will add some delay between the two clone by using the wait command. I want to add 1 second delay here. Okay, fine. Then run this program. Oh, sorry. Before run the program, go to control section. There is another command. When I start as a clone, this clone should be shown on the screen by using the show command. Now we will decide the position at which the clone should be shown by using go to x is 0, y is 0. Now notice that at that point here value of y, at that point value of y is plus 150 and at this point value of y is minus 150. And at this point value of x is minus 230 and at this point x is plus 230. Okay, we want that apple clone should be present this at this point uh, in this region. Okay, for this we will fix the position of y is 150 and use the position of x with pick random, and random value is from minus 230 to plus 230. Now run this code. You can see on the screen now. Here the two you have noticed the two things, that the size of apple is very large, so we have to reduce the size of the apple, and second thing is that apple should be fall down. Now modify the code. First we will reduce the size of the apple, set size to 50%, and second thing is we want to move the apple down. For this use forever loop. Go to uh, if then loop here, then again go to operator section. There is a command less than 50. We will put here a condition is that whenever or until value of y coordinate is less than 155, the apple should be moved downward. Whenever this condition is true, apple should be moved downward. Y axis, change y by, we want to move downward, that means replace 10 with negative number, any negative number. I have put here -3. -3 indicate the velocity of the apple by which it is moving downward. Now again run the program. First thing is, you can notice here that the apple are collecting in this area, and second thing, we have choose here this sprite, so initially the sprite should be that one. Again change the code. First go to look section, switch costume apple. Okay, because apple have black line, that means this apple is cut by knife. Okay, initially the apple should be fresh, and second thing, avoid the collection of the apple downward to the screen. For this go to control section, use if then loop here, go to sensor section. We have put here a condition that whenever the apple touch the edge of the screen, the clone should be deleted. Go to control section, there is a command, delete this clone. Okay, fine. Now again run the code. First thing, apple is fresh, and second thing, apple clone is automatically delete whenever apple touch on the edge of the screen. Okay, fine. Now When the apple touch to the knife, what should happen? For this, go to control section, use if then loop here, go to operator section, touching the mouse pointer, replace mouse pointer with apple knife, fruit knife. Go to look section, switch costume with apple too. Okay, fine. That indicate apple is cut by knife. Okay, and we want to also add here a sound. Then go to sound section, add a new sound here. You can add any sound. I will add here a top ching sound, twinging sound here. Now add a weight here of 0.5 second, and then this apple should be deleted from the screen. There is a command, delete this clone. Okay, fine, and then run this. You can see on the screen. Fine. Okay. Now you will copy all the code of the apple sprite in remaining 4 fruit sprite. Copy this code and paste in watermelon sprite. Also paste in banana sprite, then cherry sprite, then orange sprite. Also with a little bit modification you can put this code in bomb sprite also. Put this in bomb sprite. Okay, fine. Now copy this one also, put in watermelon sprite, now banana sprite and cherry sprite, then orange sprite, and also in bomb sprite. Fine. Now start modification. First we will go to watermelon sprite and replace here with switch costume to one apple, replace apple with watermelon. Fine. Size is 50 is fine, and then height all are same, all are should be same, but weight we will increase the weight here with 1.2 second. And other thing this will be same, that will be same right. Replace here apple with watermelon, one sprite, and sound is same. Okay, fine. Same thing. Okay. Increase the weight with 1.4. Apple sprite with banana sprite, and also add here banana. One more is thing that you have to also add here sound. This is must. Add here sound. Add here sound. Fine. It's fine. Now go to cherry. Add a weight here. Increase the weight here with 1.6. Apple Sprite is replaced with cherry Sprite, and then here also cherry one, and also add here sound twitching. Fine. Go to orange. Replace apple with orange. Okay, orange, and here also apple is replaced with orange. Also weight is increased with 1.8, and add a sound here. Fine. Now go to bomb section. First replace with bomb. Second thing is that increase the weight here. You add a weight here is 2.5 second, and third one thing is that whenever the bomb touch to knife, our game will be over. For this, stop all. Use here stop all command, and now start the code. Okay, our game is over. Now we will modify our game by adding the score variable. Now first we will add the score variable here by going to variable section. Add here score. Set its initial value 0. Okay, fine. Whenever knife touch to any fruit, our score should be increased by 1. For this, go to variable section, use this command, put this command inside the this one, if then loop. Same thing, go to variable section, put this command inside the touch knife, if then loop. Same step for banana sprite. Also for cherry sprite. Last one is orange sprite. Oh no, fine. Now run the program. You can check here, our score is increased by 1 whenever knife touch to any fruit. Okay, now we will add another variable, that is life variable. We want here to give 3 life for the player. For this, go to variable section, make another variable, that is life. Put initial value of life variable is 3. Put here life variable, set it with 3 value, and give a condition that whenever knife touch to bomb, our life should be reduced by 1. So go to variable section, change live variable by -1. Our live variable should be reduced by 1, and put another condition here that if our live variable is equal to 0, our game should be stopped. Go to operator section. There is a equal operator. Put here live variable. It's 0, and variable is live variable. Whenever the live variable is equal to 0, game will be stopped. Now start run the game. Okay, fine. Now game is over, but you have to reduce the size of the bomb with 50% to 30%, and look at the screen now. Yes, this is the fine size of the bomb. Also orange size is also very high. Reduce this with 30%. It's fine. And reduce also the cherry size with 30. Now look at the screen. Yes, this is the fine size, and you can no. Yes, all are fine, and game is over. Okay, thank you class.